Good morning, everyone. Happy second day of school. So today we're going to do our reading comprehension. Yesterday we did the cow, and today we're going to do the owl. So reading comprehension is where we read a story, and then we answer the comprehension questions, the questions to see if we understood what it is that we read. So the name of this story is The Owl. I see an owl. I see an owl. It is on the fence. The owl has big eyes. The owl is looking at me. Look at the owl. Look at the owl on the fence. And look at the head at the bottom. Not that the story says anything about the head, but that's actually here at the bottom of the paper. So, the owl. I see an owl. It is on the fence. The owl has big eyes. The owl is looking at me. Did you notice what I did when I was reading? I put my cursor under each word to make sure that I read each word. I see an owl. It is on the fence. The owl has big eyes. The owl is looking at me. And remember, there's a punctuation at each sentence. There's a period. So that means that you stop, you pause to go to the next one. So we read the story, The Owl. I'm going to read it again. I see an owl, period. It is on the fence, period. The owl has big eyes, period. The owl is looking at me. So now that I've finished reading my story, now we're going to go to our questions. So now we need to do the fill in the blank. So number one, I see blank. Is it A, an apple? Is it B, a dog? Or is it C, an owl? And all we do is go right back to our story because it gives us all the answers. We have to go nowhere else to look for our answers. It says, I see an owl. So I underline that. And I only do that for my records. You can do it on your paper, however you choose to do it. So we're going to take and circle owl. So then it says, the owl is on a what? The fence, the car, or C, the tree. So it says, it is on the fence. Look, there's my answer, fence. So then I'm going to circle A. So then number three is the owl has A, big ears, B, little wings, C, big eyes. So then I go back to my story, my passage, which is another way for story, which is another word for story. The owl has big eyes. So big eyes. Eyes is your noun. Big is your adjective because it describes how the size of the owl. Eyes. Look at the eyes. They're big eyes. So then we're going to circle big eyes. And this is our comprehension sheet for today. Remember, put your name up top. Put your name right here. Make sure you put your name so I'll know who it's for when you send it to me so that you can get credit for doing your work. And I see these 3 stars. So if you want to, you can actually get you some crayons and you can actually color those stars if you want to beautify or make your paper look a little cuter. Okay? And that is our reading comprehension packet for today. Kudos.